Yes, friends. Now I will be sharing with you one of the experience that one of my friends had in the examination just because he took one small wrong decision. And I request you all, do not do this mistake in the examination. Friends, your exam starts at 2 p.m. So when it starts at 2 p.m., in that examination hall, me and him, we were writing our AFM paper. He was extremely good in AFM. Yeah. He was much better than what I was in AFM at that point of time. And he was pretty confident about numbers. Even though I was confident about numbers, I had a self doubt that if I start with numbers, I might go wrong. So 2 p.m., I started off with theory. Whereas at the same time of 2 p.m., my friend started with a 12 mark question. Okay, it was a problem driven question and he went in the order of the institute question paper. So one A was a 12 mark lengthy question at that point of time. So now what happened was 2 o'clock I started with theory. By 2:30 p.m. I finished theory. And at that time theory was coming for around 5 questions of 4 marks. Total was 20 marks. In this 20 marks, I was sure that I will score around 16 marks because I wrote the theory correctly. Now, psychologically, the pass mark is 40. I have already scored 16. So I have to score only how many marks more? I have to score only 24 marks more. And for that, I'm having 2.5 hours with me. So on an average, I just have to score 10 marks per hour. That one strategy gave me a lot of confidence. And because it gave me a lot of confidence, I could go ahead and do even more questions very confidently. And where I went from easy to tough strategy, and in the end, I was able to complete my entire paper by 4:30. My friend made a very big mistake that he started with a 12 mark question. First thing, the moment you enter inside heavy questions, you might not be able to absorb. This question went on up to 2:45 p.m. And 2:45 p.m. he realized that he has made a mistake and he was unable to stop that question, go to the next question also. Now, friends, think about his psychology at that point of time. Time is already 2:45. One question he has done, that question has gone wrong. Now he needs to pass, and for that he has hardly 2 hours in his hands. He got panicked. He started doing faster. Let me do this, let me do that, faster, 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 faster. And as and when he was trying to crack more and more and more problems, in that rush, in that haste, he ended up making more and more mistakes. And friends, unfortunately, in that attempt, he couldn't clear and he got only 34, 35 in AFM. Whereas he was so good that he could easily have scored 75 plus in the examination. So friends, why I'm sharing this one experience with all of you is that please understand the importance of timing. Understand how your brain works. Work, strategize according to that. The moment you enter the examination hall, you are not emotionally ready for heavy questions. So please don't take up such heavy questions. Do the easier ones and then slowly and steadily go to the heavier ones. That way, with less pressure, you can score extremely good marks, friends. All the very best for the exam. I'm studying along with you. Let's study together. Let's win together. Thank you so much.